True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so giving a tour of Mountainside St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so I take a right turn still. Right turn can take you now to Parkley, Bigswood, them place there. So always remember to give the video a big thumbs up, free of cost. Yeah man, here Jamaican tour guide Fire Reid. No place like Jamaica, you know. Natural beauty. So happy new year again everyone. Hope you are keeping safe. Big up on yourself when you watch from. Yeah, or abroad, you big up on yourself every time, you know. Yeah man, so when you're in the Mountainside area, can take a drive to the Treasure Beach area, get a nice view of the beach, and also you can go to 77 West, Lashings, Jack Spratt and Jake's on the beach. Yeah man, so you don't know, come check out St. Elizabeth with people, the bread basket. Yeah man, so they can check it out, very nice place. So we are going towards the Mountainside Methodist Church. Yeah, a lot of persons supposed to know that church in a mountainside. A lot of persons went to this church, Mountainside Methodist Church. In a few more minutes you will see the Mountainside Methodist Church on your left. So on your left you have the Mountainside Methodist Church. Yeah man, see the Mountainside Methodist Church. And a lot of things, a lot of places come off of the map. A lot of persons like to see and thing, you know. So on your left you have the Parkley. Yeah man, Parkley. Most of them places are farming area. Yeah man, a lot of farming take place them side here. Can get a nice view up in Monroe Hill. Yeah man, you know, so Monroe is a very cool place. Cool temperature. Anybody will go to Monroe or Hampton College, big up on yourself and one of there. Yeah, they're abroad. Thanks for tuning into the channel. So you have a little bit of road condition and stuff, but no matter what, we still enjoy Jamaica same way. Yeah man, so the government can do something to the road them. Don't know what he's waiting on to come this side in the Mountainside area, Parkley. Yeah man, you see Parkley road kind of fixing on the people, so anybody who live in a Parkley overseas, yeah man, so the Parkley road fix. Big up yourself, Miss Taylor. Yeah One good friend of mine passed away the other day. Big up yourself. And this road also take you to, you have a Grace Factory. Yeah man, so this road will take you out to the Grace Factory this side, you know. Always remember to share the channel with people. Yeah man, share it all over. So other persons, other people can get to see the content, you know, because a lot of persons want to know Jamaica, you know. So you have to tune into Fire Reid channel. Yeah man, so we're having some cool weather this morning, as you can see. So always tune into the channel, because you know when you come to Jamaica sometimes you need to go to some places and you need to know the places stay before you come to Jamaica, so you can have an idea what take place and how the place look. So thank you all for tuning into the channel. Yeah, big up Miss Bev Production, Maurice Kingpin, and big up on yourself. Yeah, so you can check out Miss Bev channel. Yeah, you learn a lot of different things on your weight loss journey. And also Maurice Kingpin, he do tours all over in Jamaica also, so you can check out those two channels. I know a lot of persons supposed to know about the Malvern area, so this road can take you all to the Malvern side, coming from Mountainside and Bigswood. Yeah man, so them road can take you to Malvern. Yeah man, back in the days you used to have rally race them side up in Malvern Hill. Yeah, can you see the road condition, you know. So this left turn will take you all to Malvern. You find Monroe, Hampton School and place there. This left turn will take you all. Yeah man, so me just again an update. Yeah man, always again an update with sweet Jamaica. This area is a bit lonely. Yeah man, so it's a bit lonely, so you know night time, so you all have to be very careful on this road, because you can chop a tire. 1 or 2 tire, you don't have no assistant. So you know you gotta be very careful. Look out of the eyes on that drive for pothole and stray animal. Yeah man, so I was requested to do this video, so yeah, so enjoy the tour. Yeah man, so just pass the pump house, that is the Hounslow pump house. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. have a farm in this area, in the Hounslow area, a lot of goat raised in this area. So we are heading towards the Big Hoods area. So this right turn, I might have to watch your road, you know. So as you can see the sign said quality since 1922, Grace Agro Processor and division of GK Food and Service Limited. Yeah man, somebody on the Grace factory, you don't know. Take a spin, go up there and show you what I want. Same way. Very nice view also from the Grace factory. Look up to the Monroe side with the windmill at. Very nice view. So I'm gonna make a right turn. You see a lot of peanut farm in the area, peanut and also sweet pepper. Yes, people, so you know, say 2022 positive vibes. Man, so no matter what I face in life, still have some hope and faith, and always remember the Lord will provide, you know. No matter the stress when I go through, just always remember the Lord will provide. A lot of persons came down in life and come out, so just have to give God thanks and praise, you know. So we're in the Hounslow area. Yeah man, Hounslow, you know. So just keep on watching, guys. You know, say road can a bit low on the same way, but just have an idea about Jamaica same way, what to expect when you're in certain areas. Yeah, so and everywhere you go now, I go see house all about over the place, houses all over the place. So you're gonna see some lonely areas also. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So right now I'm in the Bigswood area.